Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a website on Weebly. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Weebly website right here, weebly.com, if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So in the main page, you want to get started with logging into your account in the upper right corner. Go ahead and create a new account if you do not already have one, and after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can get started creating your website. So you'll be able to choose all your settings such as website name and so on, and once you complete the first couple of steps, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the live size screen you'll be able to see all the sections you can get started with accessing for your website, such as overview, website items, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look how to get started creating the website. Basically, you have already created your website. It has been set up. Now you can get started completing the setup by completing all the steps to get it in shape. So basically, as you can see here, we have some recommended steps we can take by the Weebly website. This is automatic, guys. If you do not want to follow them, that's okay. You can, but if you do not want to, what you can do is do it yourself. So all you need to do is click the edit site button right here in the upper right corner, and this is going to open up the editor where you can get started with editing your website and setting it up how you want it to be. So once you have given it your name and you open up the set open mode and this edit mode right here, you'll get started with editing everything from the header, footer, and so on, and main banner, and get started with saving your changes. So once you're satisfied, click the publish button in the upper right corner. This is going to enable you to publish your website and everybody will be able to access it. And this is how to create a website. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.